Hi everyone. As you can see, I am ready for Friday. I took a bath. I'm wearing my nice clean clothes. And I will tell you about a dua, the last dua we recite in our prayer. It is this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء ربنا اغفر لي وهوى وللمؤمنين يوم يقول الحساب. The translation of this dua is, O my Lord, I make me the one who establishes regular prayer and also raise such among my offspring. O our Lord, I and accept my prayer. Our Lord, forgive me and my parents and the believers on the day account is established. It's taken from Surah Ibrahim chapter 14, verse ayah 40 to 41.